Welcome. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to save pictures or videos from Google Drive to your mobile device or to your iPhone. So first, you need to click Google Drive, and then you want to make sure that your account is logged in, and then choose File where your picture or video is located. So I'm gonna choose this file, and I'm gonna choose one picture. Then if I want to save this pic, so I'm just gonna click this three little dots on the right side of the image, and then you want to click send a copy, and then scroll down and click save image. So wait for it to be exported, and then now it is the same process when you want to download a video. So you want to click this three little dots, then send a copy, and then click this save video. So this may take a while, especially I believe it is a 5 minutes video. So after that, you can check your photos and you will see the video and the picture. And that's it. I hope this helps, and I hope you understand the video. And if you did, please make sure to subscribe and like and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.